Okay, so the wait is over. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are kicking off a brand new series on WordPress theme development with Three.js, where we are going to build a fully custom WordPress theme and make it look amazing with interactive 3D effects. In this part, we are focusing on setup and basics, getting things ready so we have a solid foundation for the rest of the project. In the second points, our main goal to prepare our development environment and understanding the basics of WordPress theme. We are going to install and set up WordPress locally so we can develop without touching a live website. In the third point, creating the starting files for our theme. Things like style.css, function.php, and header.php and footer.php. We need this kind of things, and make sure we can connect our theme with custom style and scripts so later we can integrate Three.js without issue. I know the setup video sometimes feel a bit boring, but trust me, this step is crucial. If we don't set up our theme structure properly, we will run into problems later when we start adding complex 3D elements. Think of this as building the foundation of a house. If a base is weak, the whole structure suffers. Before we start, make sure we have a local development environment like Wamp, Zamp, or local WP, a code editor like VS Code or a PHP store, and basic understanding of HTML, CSS, and PHP, and of course, a little patience. Because in upcoming video, we will be doing some pretty exciting stuffs. So in this series, I am going to use a Wamp server is completely open source, and VS Code, this one is also completely open source, and PHP store, I am going to use this paid version, and WordPress files. So WordPress, we can get the zip file from here. I have already downloaded from here, and this is the Wamp path. Let me first extract this. So this is the WordPress 3D theme. This is our project folder. Cut all these things and paste it here. Yes, we have our WordPress file, and our Wamp server is already running. So this is the local host, and I'm using the port 8080. Paste WordPress at here. Close all these things. This is our WordPress project folder. Repeat. Voila. So it's required. It's asking for the installation. And United States, continue. Go. The database set here. Is the username and password, localhost. You can change this table prefix WP to anything to your site more secure. You can change that. Okay, so database is not created yet. Localhost, and we have to create our database first. Okay. Database is successfully created, and root, it's asking for the database path and user super username to install. So it's installed now. The site name is WordPress 3D theme. The name user admin. This is the password. I'm going to my personal email address. Install. Now it's installing. WordPress doing all these things automatically. Login it. If we check our database, so we have all these. And so yes, WordPress is completely. Once done, we will be ready to jump into the next things, creating a theme. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I am Rahul. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.